So, hi everyone. Let us continue with our lab 2, that is module 2 first. This is a topology that the module 2 gave to us. So, we should configure it basically. So, in ENSP, we put two routers R1, R2, this is Gigabit Ethernet 000, same lah. So, let us configure. Okay, router 1, router 2. You can see clearly like, right? So, step 1, view the system information. Okay, with the system information means we basically write display version. Okay, this is display version, so it will display the version of the router lah basically. Then we need to change the system time parameters. So it's a bit easy. So it's a command line, clock, time zone, local at 8000, and this is changing the time zone. The bottom one is changing the date time. So after we did it, and we should type display clock, and then we know lah, this is the thing. Okay, coming out, this is the thing coming out. Okay, after that, after we add the times all, step 3, help features and autocomplete functions. Okay, we're using a wildcard basically is like a question mark. Where is it? This one, display question mark. It will show the all shortcuts and all command that we will use, like shortcuts lah we can use in it. Then step 4, access the system view. System view basically you just type system view. Okay, when you see this greater and smaller than in this, it means it's a user view. If you want to enter system view means just type system view, it will show like brackets. A lot of things you can configure the router, a lot of things you can do in only in system view. That's why we enter the system view to modify it lah. So the task is to rename the router. I mean rename this one lah, Huawei. So when you change the name means, if you want to change the name means just type sysname R1, it will change to R1 like this. Yeah, R1. Then they asked us to change R1 to R3. Sysname R3, it will change to R3. So basically that's all lah. So step 6, configure the login information. So login information basically, if you are already logged into it will show a default message. So how to set it? System view R1. Okay, wait for it. Where is it? System view. Yeah, this is the reformatted header, share information, welcome to Huawei. So we already said it. After we quite from this, we enter, it will show welcome to Huawei certification lab. So this is the function of it basically. So and then step 7, configure the console port parameter. Okay, how what to do it? We first, basically it's like changing a password to enter it, to configure. When you configure a router, you should have a password. After you enter the password, then only you can configure something, some kind of like that lah. So how we can do it? So first you should enter in system mode. Basically what I told previously, system mode. When you enter system mode, user interface console 0, and then authentication mode, password, and then you can set your password. I'm set my password, set authentication password, Chaper, this is Agathian, this is my password lah. Chaper means you will change this password into a encryption form, something like we some kind of like that, the function of it. So after we did it, we will increase the ideal timeout for 20 minutes. So when we display this, it will show our password. This is encrypted, my password, and the ideal time is 20. See, already change it. So after that we should return to it. So quite from the users lah. After that we go to this one, upper part. Okay, after we enter it, it will ask for the login authentication. So basically like this lah. After you enter your password here, you set the password previously, right? So you should enter your password here. After that you can enter in it. If your password is wrong means you can't enter the thing lah to configure. Okay, after that we are basically going to system view to do anything else. Application, quiet from it. Okay, the step 8, configure in the interface IP addresses and sub descriptions lah. So basically we are configure the gigabit internet. So how to do it? Okay, we go to system view, interface gigabit internet 0 in that particular gigabit internet, and then we are set IP address for that particular gigabit internet 000 for the router lah, for specific router. The IP is 10.0, this one is IP. So this is the description. This interface connect to the R200. So basically if you already done means it will show as a description lah. I already successfully connected something like that. So after we did it, okay, display this. After we did all this thing, we should display the internet. Display it. It will show the gigabit internet interface, all everything. Yeah. So after that, gigabit internet. Yeah, it shows all the things lah. Needed last time broadcast. Okay, so this is the interface of gigabit internet 000 that we wanna do. In the first, enter the gigabit internet and then set the IP address 10.10.10 and subnet mask, and then it's entering the thing. This is a description as well. This the interface connected to R11. After that, you try to ping to another router. If your ping means it will reply lah, send the packet, how many packets sent or not. So successfully transmit 5 packages transmitted, 5 packet received. So it's like router is successfully running lah. Okay, successfully running. So okay, the step 9, view the file list stored in the current devices. To do it, we just type dir. Okay, for this we should enter user mode to see, because user are the one who are using this one, right? So under user dir you show the files, the current directories. Display the list of the file and the current directory. So this is the current directories, total, kb and free. And then so to manage device configuration file, so okay, we display the save configuration. So when we display the save configuration command, and if there's no configuration file in flash means we should save it. If no means okay, save. After the save, it will ask us the current configuration will be returned to the device. Are you sure wanna continue? Click Y. Y means yes. So it already save. Okay, now after we save, okay, running the following command again. Okay, display the save configuration. When we display the save configuration, it will show lah what files are saved in it. This is the files and files. This one scripted. Okay, display. Beside, okay. Okay, then the next steps is we should display the startup. Okay, when we display the startup thing, okay, this is the running file. The next startup configuration file is got one file. Yeah, so then the delete configuration file from the file. How we should delete? How we can delete? So the command is reset save configuration. It will delete the configuration file in the flash memory basically, and the device configure will be erased to configure. So it will ask yes or no. Type yes, and then after that we should reset the save configuration. Reset the save configuration. It will ask it will delete the configuration in the flash memory. So device configuration will be erased to reconfirm it. So again press yes. After it will delete, it will show a success message. Where is the message? Okay. Okay, info succeeded in a configuration in a devices. Is a message lah. So after that, step 11, device restart procedure. So basically, on a restart, reboot the process. Reboot the process means use the keyword reboot. Okay, reboot. Yeah. Okay. The system will ask like yes or no. All the configuration will be saved to the next startup configuration. Type no first because we don't want to save in the next startup configuration. And then they ask for system will reboot continue. Okay, click yes. Yeah, so it will reboot lah. It will reboot. After that it will successfully reboot system. Yeah, and then the final configuration is we display the all display current configuration. Display the current configuration we are configure in our command. So after we display this one, type this one, will show all the commands. Yeah. I think that's all. Thank you. See you again.